we're back! Welcome back, everybody. This is the second discussion for Unit 2, and since we've talked about the outstanding qualities of children's literature and our assumptions about children's literature, we're naturally led to this topic, censorship. To begin, then, trivia question. Which of these books have been challenged or banned in the United States? A Day No Pigs Would Die by Robert Newton Peck, The Great Gilly Hopkins by Catherine Patterson, A Wrinkle in Time by Madeleine L'Engle, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain, Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice Sendak. Trick question, they've all been banned, including this book that you probably can see in the background, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling, and some other titles that you're probably familiar with as well, including Where's Waldo? The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison, Go Ask Alice by Beatrice Sparks, The Scary Stories series by Elvin Schwartz, Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger, The Giver by Lois Lowry, and quite a few other books that I'm sure you've heard of by Roald Dahl, Judy Blume, Shel Silverstein, the list goes on. Most of these children's books have been challenged or banned over the years, whether for sexual content, racism, sexism, sexuality, violence, offensive language, gang involvement. I could keep going. Parents are the number one reason why books are challenged. They're the ones who challenge books most often and out of concern for their children. And the place that they're challenged or taken from, banned from, are primarily school libraries and public libraries. Once a book is banned from a particular location, it is removed from the shelf and nobody can get a hold of it. That's just some background information for you as we get into some of these hypothetical questions that I'd like you to pick into. This is a tricky topic, but I think it's one that's worthwhile that we should get into. So, some hypothetical questions. Yes or no? It is perfectly acceptable to challenge and ban inappropriate children's books. Number 2. Yes or no? Challenging or banning children's books directly crosses intellectual freedom. Number 3. Yes or no? Challenging or banning children's books is actually protective. It protects children from inappropriate material. Question number 4. Yes or no? Challenging or banning children's books harms, rather than helps, children in their emotional, psychological, and social development. I want you to bring in examples and to share your 2 cents with us about this topic. And if you want, build off of what it says in our textbook on Chapter 3. So, remember to post at least 10 times to this form. You could also post to this video and count to it. And likewise, make sure that you bring in either your own question or a web resource that discusses children's books and censorship. So give it some thought, share what you think about some of those hypothetical questions, and we'll look forward to hearing your 2 cents. What do you think?